back to my channel. So in last video we saw how we can compare files, PDF files. So similarly there are many more checkpoints available in test complete. You can even use them for comparing. OCR checkpoint is there. You can even compare the test from images or anything. So it can extract the test from that screenshot or image, and it either compare that as well. So in today's video we are going to see how we can get the script from the recording. So as of now what we are doing, we are just doing record and play, but sometimes we might need to write some script for the automation, or even we want to convert the script from the recorded one. So basically until now we were working on this keyword test. So under keyword test, whatever files you will get, those will come by record and play or either by dragging and dropping. But under the script folder you will find a file unit one. So under script you can have your script written. So we can even convert our recording files as well to script. So for that what you have to do is, when you have your script, this record file ready, you have to right click over here and you have to click over here convert to script. So it will ask you in which file you want it to. Either you can create a new script file or you can use any of the file which is already there. So I'm selecting unit 1, clicking on OK. Convert operation description to comments, yes. So here you can see it converted the record and play operations to script. So now since while writing we took the project has JavaScript, so it will convert the script into JS, and you can even write script by your own. You can even modify the script and you can run it as well. So this is how we can convert our record and play into script, and we can even modify the scripts, and we can even write new scripts under this script folder. You can even add new file, and you can create a fresh script file and you can run it as well. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.